with that, we now declare the Sugbuanong Bahandi officially.
Art Ambassador. So this is it. I offer to sustain for something new. Annually na nila represent. Okay, so cool. So last year, my first year art exhibit, it's more of sharing and giving, like Rosello to siya ng painting. So ang closing sa ito, sa Cancer Warriors Foundation. So today, more on showcasing sa exhibit. So I borrowed display ko mga 12 paintings na ron, and then nag-borrowed sa mga art collector. So thanks to Senior sa Union, isa ko na mga art collectors. Ilan na din yung property, so at least proud sa to to say masaya nga na din naka-achieve ko as an art ambassador out there. So to make my message short, after this, I will invite you to please walk through it's there sa lobby to check my artworks. It's all about kids. Wala na may babies sa misis, so parang Santo Niño, mga babies, mga bata na paksa. So enjoy!
We have our authentic Cebuano fabric, which is Hablon de Argao. This is part of our sort of advocacy to help promote local, and I'm so happy that I was also part of, I'm part of Parklane Hotel's Fashion Ambassador for Culture and Arts, because I consider Parklane Hotel our second home, where the Hablon de Argao is now being seen visibly in the local market. And so we are actually now exhibiting not just hablon, but a lot of fashion accessories and even bags from local suppliers in Cebu, because we believe that, like Ma'am Sedling said, local is a new luxury, and we'd like to encourage Cebuanos also to wear Cebu. It's sort of our call to Cebuanos to have a little piece of local in your wardrobe.
Again, a hotel in Cebu that stands for Cebu. We're very strong on our branding. So if you see, all our efforts are headed towards that. So we're always trying to strengthen and stabilize and promote being Cebuano, and being proud of, being Cebuano. So before anything else, I'd like to thank our partners, Mr. Ruel, who is our ambassador for the arts, Dexter, Alazas, who is our ambassador for fashion, and of course, Ma'am Josie Pereyra. Thank you. Ma'am Josie is very low-key, so that's why she just wants to be acknowledged, but she doesn't want to be here in front, Ma'am Josie. Yeah. But again, as Ms. said earlier, thank you very much, Ma'am Josie, for entrusting your Santaninas with us. I know that apart from it being antique, it's also worth a fortune.
So bye. Dito lang mga Santo Niño, mga painting o mga tela nga atong ipanghambog diri sa Parklane. Dapat yung mga luto aning naon ni John. Ay kini mo yung empanada ko no. Na to sabi mga sa ilang gihanda ro hapuna. Wow, nay kamote. Walay ginamos. Nay binangkal. Nay fresh lumpia, nay yema palitaw. Fried mini empanaditas. Bibingka. Puto si kuwatin lang ko. Pinaypay. Churros. Churros. Nabay chicken pandesal. Kamote cube. Pili lang. Now, tapay mga local foods like kwek-kwek, hotdog, calamares, tempura, squid balls, and of course, ang atong pinilanggang ngoyong and sisig coin bags. Sisig coin bags, huh? And bami with dugo-dugo and binignit. So, grabe gini mga kaon. So, of course, ano makatilaw ani? Ari mo sa Cebu Parklane International Hotel. Mao gina lang ipanghambog. So, mag-snacks ako. So that's our snacks here. First round is gonna be bambi, hot dog, proven, ngoyong, and chicken pandesal with some juice. And that's Crazy Gray, by the way, of Z Lifestyle Magazine. Those are my friends. So, mga atong tilawanan, ang kaon na ta. Hot dog na ta.
Isa mo na ba eh? Need my help? Galisod ka ba
Oh, it's okay. Okay lang eh. Kaon lang ba eh? Also, yung ganahan ako ng Parklane is that when it comes to Filipino food or Cebuano food, kapag sa mga hotel na advocate na, which is fun. This is so good about them because, you know, we need more hotels that would feature local food, local culture. And yeah, Parklane is really more kinagmaon nilang branding, and that's, I give a big salute to them. Pero magkaonsat na kay, of course, lipay ko kayo, nakakita ko sa mga favorites rin, like nangoyong, the bambi, the dugo, and I'm sure malingaw gagawa ni na snacks karon. Kailangan sa nato ilang ngoyong kung kagumgum pa. So guys, mauna, the second round is bibingka. We have the ube palitaw with yema, and we have the kamote cube, and then we have the, of course, pudo sequari. Mauna guys, lugan ako kakao binangkal, bro. Of course, kami yung puto sequari ba? And here's ko nilang ube alitaw, kaya na ko ng yema nyo na sud. So it's always awesome to visit Parklane. You know, I really like their Sinulog festivities, you know, featuring local you know, craftsmen, artists, and of course they always want to represent Cebu, and they're like the hotel that wants to put Cebuanos front and center. And another thing, it's the same thing basically when it comes to food, so it's just amazing. I mean, when it comes to local food, definitely they're the best. So thank you so much, Parklane, for the invite, and yeah, I hope to visit you guys again soon. And hey, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again on our next adventures. And Pits in your guys, it was really an amazing Sinulog 2020, and hope to see you in next year once again during the Sinulog season. Bye.